It's probably the best 2024 advent calendar. It's currently 7 o'clock and I've been waiting all day for this parcel and it just came and I can't wait any longer. So let's get unboxing. This is MAC Cosmetics advent calendar called Gift of Gold. It retails for £180, but it's supposed to contain around £400 worth of makeup products. So let's see if it's worth it. But first of all, can we just see the packaging? Like, how stunning is this? It is beautiful, guys, and it has 24 products. I have been reviewing other advent calendars videos. If you haven't watched them already, make sure you guys do, and some of the brands have been quite disappointing this year, but I want to see whether this one is worth the money. It's probably the most beautiful advent calendar this year. Can we just appreciate the packaging? It's supposed to look like stack of presents and I am in love. So let's open number one, which is right here. I am so excited, and it comes up tissue wrapped. We're starting good because we have a full size MAC lipstick. If you watch my channel, then you know I am obsessed with MAC lipsticks, and this is in the shade Sweet Deal. I don't have this color, so I am so happy. Let's see the shade. Wow, MAC has already started on a good note because look how stunning this MAC lipstick color is, and I feel like everyone can pull this color off. Usually what brands do in advent calendars, they try to get rid of their stock, but this is amazing. This is the Maximum Matte Lipstick. When it comes to MAC lipsticks, I am obsessed with their matte formula, so I am so happy with this product. Started off really good, so let's see what's in number two. Oh my god, so this was super viral. I remember this. So this is the Squirt Plumping Gloss Stick, and it's in the shade Like Squirt. Look how pretty this packaging is. Neon green color. And the lip balm is also green, so I'm actually excited to see how this will look on my lips, but I'm not going to try it on right now. That might be for another video. I'm not sure why I thought it would have a smell, but it actually doesn't. Look, apparently it's really hydrating. One thing I hate about this packaging is the fact that you can't roll them down. If you do accidentally roll the whole product up, then you're stuck. And this is also full size, so MAC is actually doing a really good job compared to other advent calendars that I've seen this year. Let's look for number three. I love this packaging because you're actually trying to search for the numbers. Okay, so this is a sample size of the MAC Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. I've never tried this. It's supposed to be their moisturizing cream. I've actually never tried any MAC skincare or skincare product apart from their primer, so I am excited to try this. And I have really dry skin, so this will definitely come handy. And it looks very thick as well, so let's just try a little bit out. Very thick, and also absorbs really quickly, so that's already gone into my skin. Number four is right next to number three, and we have it here. I got my favorite product, the MAC Fix Plus. Love my MAC Fix Plus. I even got this in full size, so I am so happy that this came, and it's so cute. I used to have one that was a little bit bigger than this, so this is 13ml. I used to have the 30ml, and I have the also, I think it's 150 or 100 mils as well. So this is super cute, and it's gonna come so handy in my mini makeup bag as well. Number five is right at the bottom, and this is a very small product. Looks like a pencil or something, so let's go. And this is a lip pencil. How cute is this? It's a mini lip pencil, and this is the shade Spice. I have the full size of this. It's one of my favorite lip liner pencils. Look how cute this is. I found number six. It was literally on the other side. And we have this, which is the MAC lip gloss. I have around 4 different shades of this, and I don't have this one, so that is great. This is in the shade Spite. Look how beautiful this color is. I feel like MAC has done a really good job with choosing their shade colors. They haven't chose like a bright bold color that no one's gonna wear. You can't go wrong with a nude color, so look how stunning this shade is. This is definitely a me color. Number 7, we have another full-size lipstick. MAC, you have really done a good job. I'm so impressed. So this is in the shade Taupe, another favorite of mine. If you guys watch my MAC lipstick collection, you know that I'm obsessed with this shade. It's such a beautiful color, and I'm so happy that they put this in because my one has definitely expired. Like, look at how stunning this shade is. Perfect fall and winter shade. It's also in the Maximum Matte. The formula of MAC matte lipsticks are insane. They last so long. Number 8 is right underneath. So this is the MAC Prep and Prime for your lips. It's basically a lip balm to use prior to your lipstick application, and it makes your lips more hydrated, especially because the MAC matte lipsticks are very mattifying and can make your lips feel a little bit dry and uncomfortable. And it's supposed to also keep your lipstick in place. Next, box 9, and it's a big one. We have the Glide or Die Gel Pencil Eyeliner, and it is a black gel eyeliner, which is Perfect, because I actually needed one. And these are super creamy. I have them in other colors, and I'm so happy with black because I am a black gel eyeliner person. This crayon gel, it just makes the application super easy and precise. In number 10, we have a single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Too Good, and it's a frost eyeshadow, and I am in love with this color. It's such a pretty frosty gold bronze-ish color. I'm not sure how to explain it, but I could definitely see myself wearing this. I have something similar on right now. Let me Google what it's supposed to be. Google, it's a warm tone light coral shade, and I agree, it is such a pretty color. Number 11 is another powder kiss lipstick. I love the formula of these liquid lipsticks. They are so good, and this is in the shade The Taupe. It is a very beautiful taupe color. I actually used to have this color before and I ran out, so that is a great timing. About the packaging that I love, it just feels really good. Number 12, we have the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. I've never tried this product out, so I'm excited. It is a sample size 4ml, but it is infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, so I have really dry skin, and I love hyaluronic acid in any of my skincare, so I am excited to see how this will work, but I know I'm going to run out very quickly. Number 13 is packed differently, and it looks like a eye mask. I am obsessed. This is gonna come so handy on the plane. I usually have my whole skincare done. I'm gonna wear this and then I get a good night's sleep on the airline. Number 14, we have another lipstick. This is crazy, and this looks like a different formula. This is the Luster Glass in the shade Beam There Done That. Wow. I've never tried their formula in Luster Glass before, and this looks insane. Look how beautiful that is. The shine on that is so pretty. The shine on this lipstick makes it look like as if it's fake and made out of plastic, but look how gorgeous that is. Number 15 is the lip gloss. I used to be obsessed with this. I had the full size, and I think this is a mini version. It's in 7ml. This looks so good on top of any lip product and makes your lips look juicy, wet, glossy. It's gorgeous. Some people used to also use this on their eye to give that wet look. In number 16, we have another mono eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Jingle Ball Bronze in Frost Eyeshadow. And this is like a pumpkin orange gold. I'm not even sure if that made any sense, but that's the best way I could explain this color. On 17, we're nearly there, and I am honestly very impressed by this advent calendar. And on 17, we have a brow gel. I never knew that MAC had brow gels, but this looks really pretty. It has a neon applicator. And I am obsessed with brow gels, and I can't wait to try this out. This is the Pro Locked Brow Gel. I could try it on right now. I don't have any brow products on. Wow. It's already gone stiff really quick. I just went onto this eyebrow, went back onto this one, and it already feels stiff and set. 18 box. MAC is really spoiling us, guys, because they just gave another lipstick, and this looks like a mini size, but this is in the shade Luster Glass lipstick in the shade PDA. And oh my god, this actually reminds me of MAC Retro, that warm tone copper color. Look how stunning this is. Perfect for fall and winter. In the box 19, they have another mini lip liner, and I feel like this advent calendar has been made for me because this contains one of my favorite lip liners in the shade Whirl, and this is a bestseller. I feel like everyone is obsessed with this shade. It's a very viral lip color after Kylie Jenner. In number 20, we have a lip gloss, and this is very festive, a bronzy gold lip gloss. I can't wait to see how this will look. I feel like it will really bedazzle any other lip product that you have underneath. It's such a beautiful color. This is how it swatches. It's so pretty. Box 21, we have another single eyeshadow in All That Glitters Velux Pearl Eyeshadow. I'm having a difficult time trying to explain the shade colors, but this is how it looks. So according to Google, this is a champagne pink color, and I agree because it is much more muted than all the other colors I've seen. In 22, we have another lipstick. I am in love with this box. It is in the shade Business Casual. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I am loving every single lipstick that's in this box because I feel like this will suit anybody that has my complexion, a medium or brown complexion like myself. Last two boxes left. So number 23, we have another eyeshadow. Guys, MAC is trying to really get me to say this color, but this is one of my favorite colors. I used to have this. Look how stunning this is. This is a matte eyeshadow in the shade Swiss Chocolate. Having this all over your eyelid looks amazing, so beautiful, especially if you like a smoky eye. This is the perfect transition color in my opinion. It is a beautiful chocolate brown color. That was quite easy to explain. Now we have the last box. Are you guys ready? Because I am so excited. It is right at the top. It reminds me of an engagement ring, and oh my gosh, look how beautiful that packaging was. It's like a showstopper. And this is the MAC Max Stack mascara. I have been wanting to buy this for ages, and I'm so happy that they included this in this advent calendar. I can't wait to try this out because I am in my mascara era. I've been trying to grow out my lashes for the longest time, and I finally got there. So a good mascara is what I needed, and I've heard so much good things about this mascara, so I'm excited. And this is a really big brush applicator as well, so it's supposed to give really good volume and length. I love the way that opened, and it looked so beautiful. Definitely a showstopper moment, I'm happy to say, but this is definitely worth the price. I love the fact that they have full-size products. They have so many lip products, and I am a lip product girly. If you love MAC lipsticks or you love their lip glosses and mascaras, then you definitely would love this advent calendar. It is so pretty. Just look at this box. If you want to give this as a gift for Christmas, someone will be super, super happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me go and enjoy all of these products. I am super, super happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.